शिक्षा नीति में बदलाव और पुस्तक विवाद से असंतुष्ट अभिभावकों ने उत्तरी कश्मीर के बारामूला जिले के सोपोर इलाके में शांतिपूर्ण विरोध प्रदर्शन किया और इस निर्णय के खिलाफ जल्द से जल्द इसे निरस्त करने की मांग की। बड़ी संख्या में अभिभावक सोपोर में एकत्र हुए और विरोध प्रदर्शन किया। उनका मानना है कि इन निर्णयों से बच्चों के शैक्षणिक प्रदर्शन पर नकारात्मक प्रभाव पड़ेगा। उन्होंने नीतिगत बदलाव को निरस्त करने की मांग करते हुए कहा कि नीतिगत बदलाव और पुस्तक विवाद स्पष्ट नहीं है, लेकिन ये स्पष्ट है कि ये मुद्दे छात्रों और अभिभावकों दोनों के बीच व्यवधान और निराशा पैदा कर रहे हैं। सोपोर से मीर आफ्ताब की रिपोर्ट।
हमें अपने बच्चों के लिए इंसाफ चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा फ्यूचर यही है। हमारे फ्यूचर को तबाह मत कीजिए प्लीज, हमारे फ्यूचर को तबाह मत कीजिए। हमारे फ्यूचर हमारे बच्चे हैं।
ये बताइए क्या मसला है?
जी, we're here to raise our voice against the new syllabi framing. It's I, as a parent, as a guardian, I would say that it's extremely abominable. It's extremely disgusting that we as citizens, we as Indians are heading towards nowhere. I mean, look. If we talk about the new syllabi framing, our students are heading they're heading from complex to nothing, given the syllabi framing. The books have not been updated since, I guess it's 2005. Yeah, 2005 exactly. Moreover, the content, kindly go through the content of the textbooks which have been framed back in 2005 or before that. And since that day, those books have not been touched by the panel of experts. Nothing has been done in that regard. So, I would like to ask the concerned authority, where are we heading as a nation? I mean, look, as NEP says that students falling in the age group of 3 to 8 are in foundational years. Look, foundational years. This says something. This is very profound thing. If these are the foundational years, then where are we laying our foundation? Where are we heading? I mean, where are we kids going, inshallah, tomorrow, since those are the kids who are going to be our representatives tomorrow. What kind of representation are they going to do? I'm asking the authority, kindly ponder over it, kindly reflect over it. This is a serious concern. We as a nation are failing. We are in a sorry state. And one more thing which has come into, fortunately, which has come into notice of so many responsible citizens is the fact that the students going to government schools. Students going to government schools are in an extreme sorry state because of the fact that they already lack exposure, they already lack sources, and so many things which they deserve but unfortunately are lacking. And what about those kids? What about those kids who do not have enough educated parents back home who would teach them back home, who would enhance their personality or personality aspects? I would like to ask the authority to please look into the fact of syllabi framing and so many other things. Since pariksha, education is the foremost thing for the development of personality, for the development in broader sense, for the development of nation. Where are we heading? What are we doing?